to change your email address on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your email address on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram app and go to your profile. Now click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Click on your account and now click on the first option, which is personal information. Now you have your email address, which is the first option. Click on it, and now all you need to do is tap your or enter your new email address. Change your email and click on the check icon, and they're gonna send you a code on your email, on your new email. And all you need to do is tap the code again and open your Instagram with new email address, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.